A new anti-President Mnangagwa slogan, 2027 Ashiki, "Ye will not get to 27," has emerged from sections of war veterans, retired army generals, and a Zambia faction opposed to President Mnangagwa's controversial 23rd agenda. Saravina Mashko branches a new anti-Mnangagwa slogan. Hence, traction over subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna Zimbabwe Mudanyira Chiti. The slogan surfaces at a time when Mnangagwa is facing mounting resistance from within his own ranks, with the signs of a military-backed backlash intensifying a fierce power struggle. At the heart of Zimbabwe's ruling elite, the developments are exposing widening fractures within ZANU-PF. The party, through Justice Minister Zambi has already initiated a public hearing aimed at building support for extending Mnangagwa's rule. However, these hearings have repeatedly been marred by violence, and pro-government supporters allegedly targeting citizens opposed to the 23rd agenda. At the center of the turmoil is Vice President Nkosazana Chwenga, who is said to have clashed directly with Mnangagwa's loyalists during a tense political meeting. Insiders describe the confrontation as a stark reflection of a party now dangerously divided. Sources say Chwenga openly challenged the push for Constitutional Amendment No. 3, warning that extending presidential term limits without a national referendum could trigger a major political crisis. The situation escalated during a heated exchange with the State Security Minister Lavuma Tuke. Chwenga reportedly insisted that any attempt to extend presidential terms must be subjected to a referendum, placing him at odds with the ZANU-PF preferred strategy. What is becoming increasingly clear is that the most serious threat to Mnangagwa's grip on power is no longer external opposition, but dissent from within his own ranks. Zimbabwe is watching closely, and history suggests that when such cracks emerge, they often precede seismic political shifts. Toma developments are popena kuma section medu zofunga imo to live on super chirko each. Subscribe or like, on the bell icon.